In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Sparebank One app if it's not working on your device. This guide aims to get you back on track with your banking activities smoothly and efficiently. So, if you're having trouble, just follow these steps, and hopefully, you'll sort it out in no time. First things first, let's make sure there isn't an issue with your internet connection. Start by checking whether you're connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data. It might sound simple, but sometimes the most obvious things can cause the biggest challenges. To confirm your internet is working, try opening another app or browse a website. If they load fine, your internet connection is likely not the problem. Next, let's give the Sparebank One app itself a fresh start. Begin by closing the app completely. This action can often resolve minor glitches or temporary bugs. After you've closed it, reopen the app and try logging in again to see if the issue persists. If restarting the app doesn't solve the problem, it's time to make sure you're using the latest version. Head over to the App Store if you're on an iOS device, or to the Google Play Store if you're using an Android device. In the search bar, type Sparebank One and check if an update is available. If you see the option to update the app, go ahead and do so. Updates often include bug fixes and improvements that might just resolve the issue you're facing. Should the problem still be there, it could help to restart your phone. By turning your phone off and back on, you're refreshing the system, which can sometimes clear any underlying issues that might be affecting the app. If you followed these steps and the app still isn't cooperating, it's a good idea to reinstall it. Begin by deleting the Sparebank One app from your device. Don't worry, you won't lose your banking data by doing this, as it's all stored securely by the bank. After removing the app, go back to your app store and reinstall it. Once installed, open it up and log in again using Bank ID or your usual login credentials. By walking through these troubleshooting steps, you should be able to overcome most common issues and get back to using your Sparebank One app without any hitches. If after all these steps you're still experiencing problems, reaching out to Sparebank One customer support might be your next best option. They can offer more personalized assistance to get things running smoothly. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.